Now the question before us is, the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter? We know that there is a relationship between mass, density and volume. Now what is that relation? That relation is that density is equal to mass divided by volume, and we have to calculate the mass. Now the mass is equal to density into volume. So to calculate the mass as per the requirement of the question, we will have to multiply density with volume. Now the density has been given in this question, so we will have to calculate volume. For that purpose, we will use first diameter. What is the diameter? It is 4.2 centimeter. What is the radius? As you know that radius is half of diameter. We will put in the relevant value. It will come as 2.1 centimeter. Now we will use the formula to calculate volume of metallic ball. Now what is the formula? It is 4 over 3 pi r cube. We will put in the relevant values. 4 over 3, pi stands for 22 over 7. Then we will put in the value of r. R is r cube. So 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. So when we solve it, it will come as 38.808 cubic centimeter. This will be the volume of metallic ball. Now what is we have to calculate? We have to calculate the mass. Mass is density multiplied by volume. Now we will put in the relevant values. What is density? It is 8.9. It will be multiplied with 38.808. Now what will be calculated? It will come as 345.3912 or 34.39 approximately. This value is in grams. So the answer is mass is equal to 345.39 gram. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.